Hi dear friends, good morning. Today we are discussing a question from the section chain rule for functions of several variables. Here we are given the question is to express dou w by dou r and dou w by dou s in terms of r and s, where w is given by x plus 2y plus z square and x is given by r by s, y is given by r square plus ln(s) and z is given by 2r. Here w is a function in x, y and z. That means w is a function in x, y and z. We can mark this point as here the function w is a function in x, y, z. This point is x and this point is y and this point is z. Now x is a function in r and s, therefore x can be mapped as x is a function in r and s. Also y is a function in r and s, y is a function in r and s, and here z is a function in r. If we can write z is equal to 2r plus 0, we can treat 0 as a term of s. That means z can be treated as z is equal to h of rs. Z is a function in r and s where the s part is 0. Therefore, we can treat z as a function of r only, or we can treat z as a function of r and s. For the similarity, I am treating z is a function of r and s. Here z is a function of r and z is a function of s. The s part is 0. Then by chain rule, taking derivative of w with respect to x, we get dou w by dou x, w with respect to y, dou w by dou y, and w with respect to z, dou w by dou z. Taking derivative of x with respect to r, we get dou x by dou r, and taking derivative of x with respect to s, dou x by dou s. Taking derivative of y with respect to r, dou y by dou r. Taking derivative of y with respect to s, dou y by dou s. Z with respect to r, dou z by dou r, and here dou z by dou s. First of all, we have to evaluate dou w by dou r. Therefore, dou w by dou r is equal to, here this point, also in these three ways we can reach r. Therefore, these are the composite of these two parts, dou w by dou x and dou x by dou r, plus composite of these two parts, dou w by dou y and dou y by dou r, dou w by dou y, dou y by dou r, plus composite of these two parts, dou w by dou z and these parts, dou w by dou z by dou r. Therefore, the final answer is, here we want to take the derivative of w with respect to x. When taking derivative of w with respect to x, we can treat y and z as constant. Therefore, taking derivative with respect to x, we get 1 into the remaining part is dou x by dou r. When taking derivative of x with respect to r, we can treat s as a constant. Therefore, 1 by s is a constant. 1 by s is a constant and derivative of r is 1. Therefore, 1 into 1 by s, plus dou w by dou y. Here taking derivative of y with respect to, w with respect to y, therefore we can treat x and z are constant. Therefore, taking derivative of 2y is 2, and the derivative of y with respect to r. Y with respect to r is as a constant. Therefore, the derivative of r square is 2r, and lns is a constant. Therefore, the derivative of lns is 0, plus dou w by dou z. We can treat x and y are constant, and the derivative of z square is 2z. Dou z by dou r. Derivative of z with respect to r. Derivative of z with respect to r is, the derivative of 2r is 2. Therefore, the final answer is 1 into 1 by s plus 2 into 2r, 4r, plus 2 into 2z, 4z. Express dou w by dou r and dou w by dou s in terms of r and s. Here the term is s, here also the term is r, but here the term in z. Therefore, we can replace z in terms of r and s. Replace z is equal to 2r. Therefore, we get 1 by s plus 4r plus 4 into z is 2r, and finally 1 by s plus 4 into 2r is equal to 8r. 8r plus 4r is 12r. Therefore, dou w by dou r is equal to 1 by s plus 12r. The first part is okay. Now we move on to dou w by dou s. We have to find dou w by dou s. Dou w by dou s equal to this point from w can be reached by composition of these two parts. Therefore, dou w by dou x into dou x by dou s plus to this point yes, we can reach from w by composition of these two parts, dou w by dou y and dou y by dou s, and to this point we can reach by through these paths and the composition of this path. Here dou w by dou z, and here dou z by dou s. Now we can find the derivative. Dou w by dou x is given by 1 and dou x by dou s. Here we treat the derivative of x with respect to s. Therefore, we can treat r as a constant into the derivative of 1 by s. 1 by s is minus 1 by s square plus dou w by dou y is 2 into dou y by dou s. Taking derivative of with respect to s, we can treat r square as constant. Therefore, the derivative of r square is 0, and the derivative of ln s is 1 by s plus dou w by dou s. Sorry, dou w by dou z. Dou z is 2z into the derivative of z with respect to s. Here the term containing s is absent. Therefore, the derivative of z with respect to s is 0. Therefore, the final answer is 1 into r into minus 1 by s square minus r by s square plus 2 by s. Here the function contains the terms only r and s. Therefore, dou w by dou s is expressed in r and s. Note the point that here the function z is a function in r only. Therefore, instead of treating like this, we can treat z as a function of r only. Therefore, here the derivative is dz by dr, since z is a function of r only. Therefore, in this term, dou w by dou s to this point there is no path approaching to S to this path. Only two paths. Dou W along these two paths, composition of these two paths, and along the composition of these two paths. Therefore, here the term will be absent. Then also we get the same result. In dou W by dou R, there are three paths, composition of these two paths and composition of these two paths. Also the composition of these two paths. Then there will be dou W by dou Z into dz by dr. In the previous case we mentioned dou Z by dou R. Here Z is a function of R only. Therefore the partial derivative with respect to R is same as the usual derivative of Z with respect to R. Therefore the same result holds if we treat Z as a function of R only, or also we can treat Z as a function of R and S where S is 0. Then taking the derivative along that path, that the derivative will be equal to 0.